Whoa! One creepy cave. Let's see what's hiding in here. Oh, you spider! Smack! Ooh, shiny berry. Yummy, whoa. A heart. Feel better. Ugh, floating skulls? This place is full of surprises. Bam! Now what's this? A giant green egg? Whack! Uh-oh! A diamond? Jackpot! The spiders are back, in triplicate. Black, blue, and brown. You're all going down. Whack! 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 Whoa! Huh? A rope? Let's give it a yank. Whoa! Hey, great! Let's see what we've got here. One muffin, nice. A fish, yum. Strawberry, sweet. Chicken leg, score. Wait, hold up, spider. Pounces. Wow, finally, finished today. Ooh, my red car, let's go home today.